10 heads perfume filling machine. It adopts negative pressure filling, suitable for fill perfume, toner, and other water-based materials with same liquid level. Contact parts made of stainless steel 316L. Other parts made of SUS 304. Full pneumatic control system meets explosion-proof requirements. Continuous rotary filling applicable to a 2 different bottle shape. No need to change mold for different bottles. Only one person can operate, put in empty bottles, and take out filled bottles. Suitable for daily output of 20,000 to 25,000 bottles, 8 working hours per day.